In this video, I am going to show you how to add share buttons to social media to your website using Elfsight. 1. First, head over to elfsight.com and select the Social Share Buttons widget from the menu list. Click on Create Widget. You can find the direct link in the video description. Choose a template that matches your website's style. Click Continue with this template. Choose the social media platforms you want to include in your Share Buttons widget from the list of over 40 popular resources. Customize the layout, size, colors, animation, and shape of the widget of the layout, buttons, and style tabs according to your preferences. Once satisfied, click Join to install to add the widget to your website. You will be provided with an HTML code to copy. Copy the HTML code and head to your WordPress website. Click Add a new custom HTML block and paste the widget's HTML code provided by Elfsight and click Update to save changes. And then you will see the social share buttons on your website. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.